Welcome back, traders. It's Wednesday, April the 2nd, and today we are dealing with heavy hitters on the news front. US factory data, crude oil, and Trump's tariff announcement. Buckle up because this could be shaky. Yesterday we had a classic indecision day. ES filled the single print below 5,617, cleaning up the structure and shifted into one time framing up, showing early signs of a trend change. Buyers stepped in right where they had to. So let's analyze some more. Let's start with the 10-day volume profile. As always, we are tightening up a little bit, 11 points on the value area high, lower, but most traded volume is still below this 5,670, our weekly line in the sand. On the weekly and daily structure chart, we see the highs are taken out yesterday, so the daily flipped to one time framing up with a low at 5,600.25. We are currently working inside this 50 to 100% value area range extension, filling up a little bit more of this gap right here. Watch this POC at 5,716 because it could act like a magnet. On the 2-hour chart, we see that ES ranged tightly today, rejecting the VWAP twice. Buyers stepped in hard at 5,623 and defended it once again with conviction. And from a TPO view, we see that a nosedive at the open cleaned up some of the structure right below, then reversed hard at Monday's value area low, 5,600. Buyers re-emerged right here at 5,612, but we still haven't broken through 5,670 with a lot of conviction. On the 1-hour chart, we see that structure is flipping, higher highs and higher lows, and a clean break of structure at 5,672.75. marking a structural change. Strike prices are very high with a high at 5,780 and a low at 5,435, marking big indecision before the news. So as for a game plan, my line in the sand will be at 5,672 in accordance with our weekly line in the sand 5,670 and the structural breakout right here. So bulls can long from 5,675, the volume profile ledge, targeting 5,684, 5,705 and 5,718. Bears can open their shorts at this sell level 5,696, targeting 5,656, 5,640 and 5,624. Guys, today is a day of reckoning. Don't overstay your welcome. Take moderate targets only. With tariffs looming, we want to be in and out quickly before the market potentially flips. Size down if needed and keep your stops tight. If this breakdown gives you a little bit more clarity, hit the like button and subscribe for daily market preparations. And if you're serious about structure and flow, check the links in the description for my private Discord, the Sentinel Playbook and the free newsletter.